Welcome. In this video I will show you how to measure your body composition and fitness index on Galaxy Watch Ultra 2. So first of all, you're gonna have to open the tiles menu by swiping to the left. Now let's scroll down all the way to the bottom and add a new tile by tapping plus. Now let's scroll down to nutrition, select nutrition, and here you'll find your body composition index. Let's tap on it to add it here. Then tap measure. You're gonna have to enter your weight, height, and also gender information, and after that you're gonna go through the tutorial, which tells you that you first have to wear your watch slightly above your wrist, like this, and make sure that it sits firmly on your hand. Then you're gonna have to raise your hands so that your armpits are open, and then you're gonna have to use your middle and ring fingers to press the side buttons of your watch while making sure that your hands do not touch each other. Then tap OK. Place your fingers on the buttons, do not press them, just place them here, and then just stand still and wait until the measurement is finished. Okay, and this will give you the information about your skeletal muscle, fat mass, body water, and BMI index, and everything else. Okay, and this measurement can be done basically whenever you want, preferably once a day or at least a couple times a week. And to check your fitness index, you will have to go through this step, but also finish a couple of more steps. First of all, let's check the technical side of it. So we're gonna have to open the health application on our smartphone, and we're gonna have to go to the activity tab, and here you'll find fitness index. Now we're gonna have to, of course, measure the body composition to check our fitness index. We're gonna have to also record a walk or run and track 2 days of steps, and after that the fitness index will show us the fitness routine that we should stick to improve our basically body health. And that's pretty much it. So thank you so much for watching this video. If it helps you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.